see the inside now.
Oh wow. So many chips.
Now we need this part, so we need to remove all this bulk here. So all you have to do is, I don't know, one of you can try, just push this over here. Yeah, do it with this.
So what do you have to push?
Just, yeah, push this right piece here, this right thing.
No, this one.
Keep
Wonderful.
pushing. Yeah.
Super cool. Right.
Okay, now this thing has come up. Now the next step is to remove this main black thing. So just press this down. Do it once more here.
Okay, next one.
Press it from up and push it that way. Yeah.
Oh,
And now,
there's a disc. What is the disc for?
this is in there only. Okay, now we'll use this for the main structure of the 3D printer. So you can keep these pieces aside.
Windows XP.
Now we need to take out this thing. For that we first need to pull this thing out so that it doesn't.
Clip.
Now we need to remove these two screws so that we can take this out. Just check if any of these get fit.
Yeah, you can do one.